Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good having you watch my video one more time. Thank you so much guys, and if this is your first time watching my video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be challenging myself to do my makeup in just 5 minutes. 5 minutes guys. On the norms I do my makeup in like 40 to 1 hour, like 40 minutes to 1 hour. That's the duration of time it takes me to do my makeup on a good day, and here when I'm not trying to do all the extra and what is it. So but today I'm going to be challenging myself to do my makeup in just 5 minutes. Whoa. I don't even know if that is going to be possible. It feels like the only thing I'll be able to do is probably just draw my brows or or just my skin work. But yeah, let's see what I can do in 5 minutes. So guys, I went ahead to set all of my makeup products so it will be easier for me. That does not count as cheating, right? Okay, so I've set my timer now to 5 minutes. Set my timer, I don't know if you can see, I've set my timer to 5 minutes, so let the countdown begin. See, no time for me to even be cleaning my face. Let me just go straight. Okay, faith, stay calm. Okay, like what's 5 minutes? You can achieve anything you want to achieve in this life. Time cannot be your barrier, or time should not stop you. Okay. See, I even forgot to prime my face, and I left my primer here and I forgot to prime my face. Okay. Why did my light just dim? Hey God, hey God, hey God, my village people. My village people, hey God. I swear if you ask me why my lights went dim, I really do not know. And see how I'm already sweating. I hate how much I sweat. Like, if there's anything I could actually change about myself, I think this would be it. I sweat too much. Most times when I'm filming, I have to pause and go stay under the fan for some minutes. So imagine the struggle that it's going to be for me now, because I'm already sweating so bad. See, I'm sweating. I'm seriously sweating. Oh God. What am I doing? I have barely 3 minutes left. Do I still want to even do all this contouring? I swear, I'm just doing all this as because I honestly don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Whoosh. Here is my powder brush. I'm not sure anybody can do anything meaningful when it comes to makeup in just 5 minutes. Nah, I'm not sure. If there's anybody, then that person must be a superhero. Because what? Whoosh. There is no way I'm going to conceal my brows. That's if I successfully draw it before the timer finish counting. I don't understand the color I'm using. Okay. This is manageable enough. Okay. So what else? What else? What else? Ooh. This is not so terrible, is it? No need to line my eyes now or attempt fixing my lashes, because I know there is no way that will end up well. This is my go-to lip gloss anytime I'm in this kind of situation. So bad as it bad, I did something. My timer has still not run out yet, so let me blend this. Oops. That's the timer. Ooh, finally. But guys, I don't think I did so bad. I mean, I beg, stop shouting in my ear. Stop. I don't think I did so badly, guys, did I? This looks fair enough for a 5 minutes makeup. It looks fair enough, even if I'm sweating so bad. But I think this is something. Okay guys, this is it for my 5 minutes makeup challenge. Thank you again for watching. If this is your first time watching my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other makeup videos. Again, thank you for watching, and guess what, I'll be reading your comments, so do not forget to drop them. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.